Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. For nearly 70 years, Oxbo International Corporation has been dedicated to developing specialty agricultural equipment. Oxbo has 3 manufacturing facilities in the United States: Byron, New York, Clear Lake, Wisconsin, and Linden, Washington, each optimized for flexibility, speed, and efficiency. Oxbo was built on a tradition of listening to customers and providing superior product support directly from the factory. Equipment is built to order using a one-piece flow, lean methodology to allow for flexibility and customizations. Oxbo design engineers are responsible for full mechanical, electrical, and hydraulic systems, including control programming and development of crop-specific technologies. Partnering with industry experts, Oxbo continues to develop new equipment to meet the needs of specialty agriculture. Oxbo's talented production employees manufacture its complex agricultural equipment, including full in-house parts fabrication and machining, frame and sub-assembly welding, painting, and final assembly. Oxbo's focus on lean manufacturing allows for rapid throughput of machines and same-day production of spare parts. Oxbo is proud to provide industry-leading equipment, including mechanical harvesters for raspberries, blueberries, coffee, fresh market and processed beans, peas and corn, potatoes, olives and grapes, as well as detasselers and harvesters for seed corn, seed research plot combines, forage mergers critical for the dairy industry, high clearance front boom sprayers, and a complete line of nutrient application equipment. An ISO 9001 certified company, Oxbo exports to more than 40 countries worldwide. Oxbo employees are dedicated to delivering high-quality, advanced equipment and to supporting customers through superior customer service. To learn more, visit them at oxbo.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.